Sikia tu. The live ammunitions. Ruto ameamua ni kutuua. Ni sawa bro. Ni sawa tu. Utaua ngapi bro? Hawezi uwa the whole Kenya bro. Don't fire how many bullets bana. You won't kill. It's okay. We are fighting for the future of this country. Our Kenyans. We are fighting for the future of our generations bana. You might kill us, but our kids and our family members will survive. These are history in the making, you know. Mtatuua wangapi bana? Hata mfaya nini bana? Ukilipa 2 million, we'll find you bana.